So we're at the SPS 2023, the BE.services booth, and I have Stefan Hoppe from the OPC Foundation with me, and we were discussing about the demo that we have put up this week. Stefan, so we're showing the ETSN SDK. Basically, we are enabling the use and the adaptation of OPC UA FX and TSN, both on controllers and on devices, with platform independent on different CPUs, different operating systems. And we're also, and that's the key part of what we're talking about, is the interoperability between solutions like ours that is based on the Matricon OPC UA stack and a third-party solution, which is behind you, with here in this case from BNR. And I was explaining that we're actually controlling this robot from Neura Robotics, sending position commands from the BNR PLC to the robot controller, on which we also implemented the ETSN stack. So this interoperability question was very interesting for you. So you had some comments to give?
Well, that's amazing to see a real world demo, because we started this initiative as a first working group under the roof of the OPC Foundation in 2015 as an internal group. 2018 it has been established as, I believe, the world's largest ecosystem for establishing interoperability in the first phase horizontally between controllers from different vendors with their different ecosystems, right?
Yeah.
There's so many different field bus systems on the world, and they do their controller to device work, and that's fine. But there was not really, there was a gap. How can machines being in a factory hall, how can they exchange data between each other in a standardized way?
Absolutely.
Not with gateways, reading, converting, pushing forward. And now the group has finalized their work. The phase one is done. Peter Lutz, the director of field level communication, announced first products being available next year. Now I'm amazed to see that Matricon here with your toolkit, and the ETSN is providing solutions which looks like easy to adapt. So the robot with one ecosystem is talking to another ecosystem of a controller. They are doing OPC UA over UDP, over TSN, and this means first time in history of the industrial automation world, we have an international standard allowing to exchange standardized information between different controllers from different ecosystems with included security and proven security. And it is not just a very few vendors, it's for me the majority of broad, big automation vendors and technology providers. The who is who of the automation world is supporting this. We have a much larger demo on the OPC Foundation booth where you see all controllers, which is important to run this ecosystem, to move it on. But here I'm fascinated to see a real demo where something is really moving and you see it in action, which is the next level on just, I made a prototype of something.
And it goes further than this, because this demo is actually based on a real case from a machine builder.
Perfect,
so
and that's really even better. So I like to invite you to a success story. Let's agree on that, right?
All right, that's
so congrats, perfect.
Thanks, Stefan.
Thanks for having me.